What a fishing trip that I just went on, guys. Today I caught a delicious and huge salmon, and it was a great catch, and I'm not just talking about myself. Right, boys? Welcome back to my channel, guys. Alright, if you are new to my channel, I make easy, healthy, and delicious meals in no time at all. I'm telling you right now, guys, if you want a man to propose to you, make this salmon recipe. And guys, stop what you are doing right now and subscribe to my channel, guys. Also, go follow me at Cooking with Hugs on IG, and the first 10 followers that tell me their most embarrassing stories ever, I will comment you back. Thanks, guys. Are we ready to cook? Let's go. So I went out and bought 2 fresh salmon fillets. It is obviously wild caught. You never want to go for salmon or any fish that says farm. That's a big no-no. Then we're going to pat it dry so you're able to catch that juicy, delicious marinade that I'm going to pour over it, guys. Mix it up nice and good. You want to incorporate the lime, the honey, and the light butter very well. You're going to take your salmon in the foil. You're just going to lightly salt and pepper. Okay, rub that in. Beautiful. And then you're going to create a pocket now. We're just going to close it up like this, guys. Pinch the sides to make sure none of that leaks out. And then you're just going to put it onto your pan. Hi, guys. I'm back. All right. It was so easy to make this meal. I literally just put everything together, threw it in the oven, you set it, and then you forget it. So let's try it. Take a look at the beauty. I put on the bottom just a very small scoop, about a half a cup of jasmine rice from Trader Joe's. It is banging. Thank me later. I cooked the salmon for about 12 minutes. Let's try it. So I'm going to try it right now. Oh, it's so flaky, guys. Wow. Take a look. The first bite is for you guys. Take a look at that. Wow, it just looks amazing. Wow. Oh my goodness, this is so, guys, the butter. Hold on. You know I need to take 2 bites. Oh my God. So, I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. You know, I'm semi-poor. Buy around 2 salmon fillets that are frozen. It's always wild caught. It's about $6.49 from Trader Joe's. I splurged on you guys today, and I went out and bought fresh salmon. 2 fillets were $15. Look at the difference, family. I've tried this recipe with frozen for years. I just did fresh today because I wanted to be a little bougie. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it is really good frozen, but holy bananas, I just took it to another level. Please try this recipe. Like this video, comment. I want to hear you guys' voice. If you make this recipe, please comment, and most of all, subscribe to my channel so I can keep on making videos, guys. I love you so much, and let's do 4 hugs. 4 hugs. Are you ready? Yes, you are. Let's go. 1, 2, hi baby salmon, 3, and the last one's tight because I love you guys so much, and that's 4. Bye, guys. Thank you so much for cooking with me. Mwah.